Hello, welcome to another one, and I've got a kitchen full. You probably saw on the last video I did that I did my calendar giveaway. Again, I'm doing the same thing again. I'm just filling a couple of gaps in weekends. So if you're a regular subscriber, this isn't going to be an everyday thing. I just need to fill a few gaps for you just to keep my beautiful face and my niece on the camera for a few missing spots. Today I'm going to talk about these books. They are by Long Valley Books. Absolutely fantastic. They are photography guidebooks, and I know you can't see them very well in this light because the light's facing the other direction, but there's a new one out at the moment. But what I'm going to talk about is the ones we've already got. These books I highly recommend. I can't recommend them enough. Today we are going to head off to Wensleydale, which is on that page there. But at the beginning of the book you've got a full map of the area with all the little places on it, and as you go through the areas, each area's got its own individual map with parking positions, the walking routes, how hard they are. At the back of the book, better still, it gives you how many things to photograph, all the authors' names for the photographs and stuff like that. It really is. They are amazing little books. They are designed and put together by a lady, Boness, I've forgotten her name. Is it Ellen? Ellen Boness? She's really good. Been in contact with her and stuff like that, and she sent me her new book, which is absolutely fantastic. She's now moved up to the North Yorkshire coast, and we're going up there at Christmas. There's going to be a Christmas meet-up. Boxing Day, we are meeting for sunrise at St Mary's Lighthouse. So if you're up in that area over Christmas and you fancy a day out on Boxing Day, mince pies and mulled wine, St Mary's Lighthouse, check out the Landscape Vlogtography Adventures Facebook page. I'll put a link down below, or check out my website. There are details on there. But we'll be getting together and we're having a bit of a day out, a few mince pies and a bit of mulled wine. So please come along and join us. You don't even have to be a photographer. If you want to come down and meet us and say hello, then come down. We're going to be doing St Mary's Lighthouse, Colour Coats Arch, I think it's called, and there's a long wooden jetty type thing we're going to do. Very good with names and everything, aren't I? But I expect they're all in this book anyway. Like I say, the Northumberland one, or the North Yorkshire coast one, should I say. There's several guidebooks. We've got the Yorkshire Dales, which is where we are at the moment. There's a North Wales one where I actually have a photograph in it. Woohoo! There's a London book, which is really good, shows you some great locations in London. There's also the Peak District and a Lake District. Fantastic books, really good. She's working on one for Iceland. This is early morning, I'm struggling to get my words out. For Iceland, so yeah, that'll be pretty interesting. Not that I'm ever going to get to Iceland, but yeah, please check these out. I've got all the links are down below in the description. Hopefully you'll check them out, hope a look, and I can't recommend these enough. And I'd just like to thank Ellen for sending us this one, and I will always plug them for you because they're well worth it. So yeah, sorry about being a bit of a pusher, and it's not about photography, but I'll try and clip on a few things that we're getting up to today. Like I say, we're going off to see a few waterfalls. Till next time, and I've got to fill in another gap. We've just all had breakfast, they're doing the washing up. Mrs C's not washing up. Our mate Mr Rowe down here, you can't see him, I'm going to spin him around, he's just round here. Here he is, having a glass of water. He's done the dishes for us this morning. So yeah, we're all off out. See you later. Till next time. Ciao. Much with the diamond range, just there, leading you all the way up through the shop. Hello. We've got the camera set up. Here we are. That's really pretty. I love the colours of that. Whatsoever, it is really slippy. So please be careful if you come up to an area like this. Right, we're inside the cave as you can see, and the waterfall is just behind this wall. Well, how amazing is this? And the battery's just about to go on my little GoPro.